Home Control 2.0. Using guard response. When an alarm event has occurred on your system, a push notification will be delivered to your phone. Tap the notification to open up Home Control 2.0, and then you will be presented with the option to request a guard. Tap the red button marked Send Guard to request assistance. Now that a guard is en route, you can view live status updates. You can even view the location of the guard whilst en route by tapping Guard on the way. This will then display a map, revealing their exact location. Once the guard has arrived, the status update screen will refresh in real time. It will then refresh when the property has been checked, and again when their report is complete and ready to view. Tap Report Now Available to view the guard's report. The report will contain all relevant information, including the property location, the attending personnel, any visual observations, and images taken of the property. Tap the Close button to return to the home screen. If you have any queries, please email us at customer.support@pyronix.com. Thank you for watching.